Hey everybody, this is Mr. McKee with SEC210. I'm going to go ahead and go over the lab 12.2.2.9, which is regular expression tutorial. Alright, I'm going to show you the instructions real quick. Alright, so basically you're going to be completing the regex1.com tutorial. So you can click that link right there. Alright, it just takes you through how to use certain expressions to search metadata. Basically, you fill out whatever the corresponding meta characters are. You fill out the descriptions for those, and describe the provided regular expression pattern down there. All right, this is. So I can drag this over. All right, so right here, this is just an introduction to it. You go through all the lessons. Say in this case, everything that's the same, ABC. All right, you just read down through this, different types of expressions. Once you get those right, you can go on to the next one. All right, but you can just follow that down through there. I'm just looking there. 1, 2, 3. That's correct. And then it shows you how to do wildcard, things like that. But just follow that through, fill out the two tables. All right, I'm not going to go through that with you. Figured you could figure that out. All right, but under step 3 though, you're actually going to go in your CyberOps workstation virtual machine. And since I've got that up right now, let's do this. All right, so I want you to go to the terminal and change the directory to lab.supportfiles. All right. And it wants you to use the less command. Actually, what I'll do is I'll shut this down. Bring in the instructions here. Do this, do that. All right. So it wants you to do the less command and look up logs stash tutorial. All right, and that, just looking at it, looks like a web server log file. All right, at the bottom of the screen you will see log. Well, until I clicked on it, log stash tutorial.log highlighted. This is the cursor at which you will enter the regular expression. Precede the regular expression with a /. So, for example, if you did like that, and do a caret 83. Right, that finds all the 83s in here, and that looks like the first octet of IP addresses, 83.149.9.116. And you can keep going down through there. All right. The matching text for the log file is highlighted. Use the scroll wheel like I'm doing right now, scrolling down, or the mouse or the J or K keys on your keyboard to locate the highlighted patterns. So J, K. All right. So for the next expression, enter. And see, I'm at a colon prompt, /, whoops, / bracket A through Z uppercase, bracket, and curly brace 2, 4, curly brace. Alright, so that finds all that. And then enter the rest of the expressions from the table in step 2, which you found on the other website up there. Make sure all the expressions are preceded with a /. Continue until you verified your answers. Press Q to exit the logstash tutorial log file. Close and shut down the VM. And other than the filling in these descriptions, just do a screenshot of, let's say, this right here, all right? Or send me a screenshot that just shows that you have this file loaded and you have it searching for something. I'm not really worried about exactly what you're looking for, but just understand that you can use regular expressions in that web server log file to find certain items. All right, and that's it. And you can put that in. You're going to be putting answers on the table anyways, so just insert that screenshot at the bottom under G of step 3. All right, and that one right there would be fine. All right, thanks for watching. And I know that was quick, but let me know if you have any problems.